Hi guys, today I wanted to talk to you about our new SculptBoxes format. These are the new cute little gift boxes that they'll come in. I'll show you what they look like inside. Alright, the sculpt box we're going to look inside of today is the Woodland Gnome sculpt box. And so when you open up your box, inside you'll find your little list of supplies that tells you what's inside and which project you're on. You'll have your DVDs that will teach you how to create the project. And then you have all the different ingredients that you're going to need inside. For this one we do a little bit of needle felting on his outfit, so I also include a needle felt pin and pad to be working with as well. Your armature, the wires, all sorts of things that you need to make this doll. What's inside your sculpt box is going to vary from each one according to that particular project. And they'll typically include special hair and eyes for your project as well. It'll include all the ingredients you need to work on this particular project and create your doll. Sculpt boxes are available in a variety of different designs, so you can create many amazing different projects, and each project has things that you'll be taught that will help to stretch your skills even further, so each one you do will make you a better sculptor. Once you receive your sculpt box, all you need to do is pop in the videos and they will tell you exactly what you need to do to create a cute little, this one's a snowball fairy, or whatever creation you've selected. This is how mine turned out, and these are the ingredients I used. This is what's inside a sculpt box. Sculpt boxes come in a variety of designs. They make amazing gifts and are a joy to open up and discover what's inside. So that's how they're coming to you now. I can ship them out right away. These make great gifts, and they're also super fun to get in the mail. We also have 2 more witch kits that were made up that are ready to ship right out if anybody else still wants to make a witch. And we also have 3 of these last year's holiday elf kits that are ready to go too. So if anybody wants those, nab them this weekend. I just wanted to show you how this awesome loaf of soap turned out. I love it. It's more colorful than I was expecting. Like, it's got some pretty brilliant colors there, but it makes me feel like unicorns, honestly. I wish I had little cute unicorn horns to put in as little embeds or something to decorate it, but it turned out super, super cool. Anyway, it has to sit about 3 weeks or so to finish curing and whatever, but before you actually use it, but it can sit on your shelf and smell nice. But usually I'll probably just have these listed in the shop in a couple weeks for being ready to sell for gifts and such. However, I do have these cute little bars that I've cut up as little sample bars, and I'll be sticking these in the orders that come through at the Making Fairies and Art Dolls shop, so you can get a little sample of what these are like. The soaps are awesome for the skin. I've done a class on these before. I'm kind of tempted to do another one just because they're really, really fun to make. I mean, it's a great hobby, and you end up making something that you use. Like, we go through a ton of this soap ourselves, and I'm always giving it away to friends and such too, just because they love it. And I hear back great reports from it, and even people have had skin issues like that. They tend to knot afterwards just because it's got such mild ingredients, and it's better than what we typically find in the grocery store. So anyway, this is what I've got going today. Just wanted to catch up on that. Oh my goodness, these soaps turned out so, so pretty. I'm using lower temperatures and getting better patterns to appear. I'm loving it. Look how gorgeous these are. These are wildflower honey scent. And they kind of just smell like flowers and honey, really. It's a pretty nice, sweet kind of smell. Here's a look at our Christmas oatmeal milk and honey. We have them sitting out on a shelf right now so they can cure for a couple weeks. It's just a natural process that the soap goes through when you make it in the handcrafted way that I do. Then we have our apple old-timey Christmas bars back here, and also these really pretty red tea clover that they look like the magical unicorn bars to me. If you place an order during this special holiday season, you will likely get one of these sample soap bars in your order. These bars will give you a good idea of what these soaps are like and how they feel. So you can give them a whirl, smell them, and try them out on your hands. They're great for sculptors in particular because they keep our hands extra soft.